The following is a simple step-by-step guide on how to sort data in Excel. Please like, share, comment, and subscribe. 1. Select the range of cells or the entire table that you want to sort. 2. Go to the Data tab in the Excel ribbon. 3. In the Sort and Filter group, click on the Sort button. Alternatively, you can right-click within the selected range and choose Sort from the context menu. 4. The Sort dialog box will appear. Here, you can specify the sorting criteria. 5. Choose the column you want to sort from the Sort by drop-down list. If you have a header row, Excel will automatically detect it and display the column names. 6. Specify the sort order for the selected column. You can choose either ascending or descending. 7. If you wish to sort by additional columns, click on the Add Level button and repeat steps 5 and 6 for each additional column. 8. Once you have set up the desired sorting criteria, click on the OK button. Excel will sort the selected range or table based on the specified criteria. The data will be rearranged accordingly. It's important to note that when you sort data in Excel, the entire row associated with the sorted data will move together. This means that data in other columns will remain connected to its corresponding row after the sorting process. Thanks for watching.